No skills, no problem. Or if you want to start your freelancing journey, but you're not really sure as to what sort of skills or services you should be selling on Fiverr or on any other platform, well, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Afreen, and I post videos on freelancing, social media, and online entrepreneurship. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 5 service ideas that you can sell on Fiverr without learning any new skill from scratch. That's correct. You don't need to learn any new skill from scratch if you want to sell these 5 services. And don't worry, these services do not include copy pasting or data entry and all of the admin related tasks that you might not be willing to do. Now, before I share those 5 services, I have to make a disclaimer. Just because I am sharing these 5 services that you don't need any skill for doesn't mean that I endorse you should not learn a new skill. Okay, I highly recommend that you should be learning a new skill if you want to become a successful freelancer in the future. This video is only for you if you want to have more and more services that you can possibly sell. In no way I am saying that you should not be learning a new skill. In fact, it's highly recommended that you should be learning a new skill if you want to succeed in the future, because remember, you are in it for a long haul and not short-term success. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. So the first gig that you can possibly sell on Fiverr without learning any new skill is transcription services. Now, transcription services basically include that you listen to an audio or you listen to a video and then you actually write that down, meaning you actually convert that into a written document word by word. It can include YouTube videos, conference videos, podcast episodes, seminars, Zoom meetings, and all of the related things that you might be asked to convert in a written form. Now, basically, transcription services are actually required by companies who want to just save their meeting minutes or who want to just save what happened in the conference or seminars, or are used by solopreneurs if they want to repurpose content on other platforms. Now, in order to do transcription services, you only need 3 things: headphones, internet connection, and a Word document. And obviously lots and lots of patience, because transcription services could take you a lot of time, especially when you are just starting out in this service. But obviously when you do it repeatedly, it's going to take you less and less time with every new project. Now let me quickly show you some of the transcription services that are being bought and sold on Fiverr. So if you're planning to sell transcription services on Fiverr, make sure to use the search option right here and just write transcription and press enter. And you will be able to see so many gigs. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to just randomly open a couple of gigs and just see how many orders they are working on. So for example, this person has 31 orders in queue. This person has 6 orders in queue starting from $5. And this person has 8 orders in queue starting from $30. Which actually shows that this service is high in demand and less in supply with regards to the services that are already available on the platform. One more thing you need to note is the deliverables as to what exactly are they providing to the client. So you will just scroll down and you'll be able to see all of these things that the seller is actually providing to the client. So when you will be creating a gig from scratch, all of these things, make sure that you are providing it to the buyer. Just a quick pro tip: if you want to succeed in transcription services, make sure that you are watching English episodes and English movies so that you are familiar with different English accents. And obviously make sure that the subtitles are turned on so that you are familiar with spellings as well. So the second service that you can possibly sell on Fiverr without learning any new skill from scratch is Canva designing services. So for those who don't know, Canva is basically a free graphic design software which you can use in order to design highly professional graphics without you needing to learn Photoshop or Illustrator or any other complex software. With Canva designing services, you can actually sell services such as flyer design, brochure design, social media posts, and even resume design as well. You don't need a graphic designing skill to start with Canva designing service, but at the same time, obviously, if you are interested in graphic designing, you can surely start with this particular service and side by side learn Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator in order to even enhance your skills further. Now, obviously, when you open Canva, there are tons and tons of templates that you can use and repurpose, but very important thing to note here is that make sure that you are not using the templates and selling those templates as they are. You need to make sure that you are customizing it. You need to make sure that you are totally revamping it before selling it to your clients or customers online. If you are just selling those free templates to your clients, Fiverr can actually ban you for plagiarizing on the platform. The best part about Canva is that it is absolutely free, but you can obviously try the pro version as well, which is super amazing. And if you want to see the functionalities of the pro version, you can surely take advantage of the free 1-month trial, and obviously you can invest if you really like it. Now let me quickly show you some of the Canva designing services that are being bought and sold on Fiverr. If you plan to sell Canva designing services, you can actually search just for Canva on Fiverr search, and you'll be able to see all of these gigs that people have created on the platform. You can simply go either generic as to I will design anything on Canva, or you can specify, for example, you can create ebooks, or you can create Instagram feeds, or you can create different templates or social media posts, etc. It all depends on what you like to do and what you think that you are good at. Also, again, make sure to actually check how many orders are they working on to actually determine the demand. So for example, this person has 3 orders in queue, this person has 1 order in queue. Let's see about this person has 5 orders in queue, and so on. So that way you'll be able to understand the demand and the supply of these services. A pro tip, if you want to sell Canva designing services, you can actually take advantage of Canva Design School, which is absolutely free. It provides free tutorials if you are a complete beginner, or if you want to know how you can use Canva to design amazing graphics. Now, the next service that you can actually sell on Fiverr without having to learn any new skill from scratch is by teaching English online. If you are watching this video, chances are that you are familiar with the English language and you obviously understand basic English. Now, obviously for this particular service, you need to be fluent in both spoken and written English. So in order to teach English online, you can actually teach basic English such as homophones or pronunciations, adjectives, verbs, nouns to children, or you can go as advanced as teaching TOEFL or IELTS on Fiverr. Also, if you are familiar with different accents, you can surely teach English in those accents as well, such as British accent or American accent. In order to teach English online, you need to make sure that you have a software such as Skype or Zoom, and you must be having a strong internet connection. Now, a very quick warning, even though you are communicating with the client on Zoom or on Skype, make sure that all the order process is actually on Fiverr, meaning that buyer should actually place an order on Fiverr and you should actually deliver an order on Fiverr, and all of the payment process should be done via Fiverr. Do not take that client outside Fiverr, otherwise Fiverr can actually ban you and you will never recover your account. Now, if you're planning to sell teaching services on Fiverr, let me quickly show you what that looks like. If you want to teach English on Fiverr, make sure that you are actually selecting the proper category. So in this case, just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see all of these main categories. Just go to writing and translation and go to online language lessons. Just click on that and you'll be able to see all of the gigs that the people have created. Now here you'll be able to see that people are actually teaching English online as well. So for example, I will teach you English via Skype. I will teach English spellings, reading, and comprehension online, and all of these related. If you want to, let's say, specify the service. So for example, if you want to tutor them on IELTS, you can actually just type IELTS. And again, you'll be able to see all of the services that people are providing on the platform. And again, make sure that you are actually checking the number of orders this person has in queue in order to determine if the service is actually in demand or not. A quick pro tip, if you want to teach English online on Fiverr, you can actually record yourself explaining a concept in English and you can actually insert that as part of your thumbnail. That way, buyers would be able to trust you even more and they will be more likely to place an order. Now, the next gig you can actually sell on Fiverr without having to learn any new skill from scratch is beta reading. So for those who don't know, beta reading is basically you read an unpublished article or an unpublished work. It could actually include a full-fledged article that someone has written, or it could be a short story or an entire book that is not published yet. If you love reading or if you are an avid book reader, you can surely consider this as a service option on Fiverr. As a beta reader, your job would be to actually review the entire literature, comment on the plot, on the characters, on the sentence structure, on the entire framework. And you need to identify the mistakes and you need to actually give suggestions to the author as well. So obviously, if you love to read, this work would be perfect for you since A, you love to read and it won't feel like a chore, and B, you know how books are structured and you'll be able to suggest good and concrete points to the author as well. Now, let me quickly show you some of the beta reading services that are being bought and sold on Fiverr. If you want to go for beta reading, again, just type beta reading on Fiverr search and just audit all of these gigs that people have already created on the platform. So just open a couple of gigs and actually see the deliverables and all the things that they are ready to provide. So for example, this person is ready to read 40,000 words for $20. This person has 3 orders in queue and he or she is reading 30,000 words for $15, and so on and so forth. Make sure that you're also checking the deliverables. Just go to the packages section and see what people are actually providing as part of each package. Now, just a pro tip, if you are absolutely clueless about how you can actually beta read for a client, I would highly encourage you to use Google as your go-to resource and just type how to become a good beta reader. You can either use Google or you can use YouTube and actually see how people are actually working and delivering files to the client. You can again take advantage of Fiverr platform as well, and you can actually see the deliverables that sellers are promising to the client. But obviously the best learning would be when you actually work with the client, and then you'll be able to know how you can improve your services better. Now, before I share the next service, I actually have a free guide for you if you are absolutely new on Fiverr. This is the free guide which will actually teach you how you can optimize your profile on Fiverr, which actually attracts more and more clients to your gigs and to your services. Now, another service that you can actually sell on Fiverr without learning any new skill is by outsourcing. Now, outsourcing is so popular, especially if you want to be the person who does not work, rather you want to get those sales so that you can outsource that work. Now, I know for a fact that there are so many students in my Freedom with Fiverr program who are just the face of their profiles. All the work is actually done by someone else. Maybe they have a team or maybe they have a friend working on that order, but the person who has their profile made is not actually working on that order. So if you are considering this as an option, make sure when you are creating and optimizing your gig, by the way, use this as a guide, but make sure that you are using your own name. And even if you have an agency, don't use agency's name, because Fiverr is actually a platform for freelancers and not freelancing agencies. And very important thing to note is that make sure you are just starting with one niche. Even if you have a content writer, a graphic designer, a video editor, a social media marketer, it's very important that you are just starting with one niche on the platform. That way buyers will be able to trust you even more, because that way you'll be a master of one rather than being a jack of all. Moreover, it's very important to know that whatever services that you plan to sell on Fiverr, you need to know something about those services, because at the end of the day, you will be the salesperson. So for example, all of the gigs that you create on Fiverr are related to graphic designing, but you have absolutely no idea about graphic designing and you don't know the verbatim that graphic designers use, it's going to be very difficult to actually get that client on board. Even though you're not providing the service yourself, someone else is doing it for you, but make sure that you do have some idea about graphic designing and actually be familiar with graphic designing terms so that it's easier for you to get more and more clients. Now, so far in the video, we have talked about 5 service ideas that you can possibly sell on Fiverr. Now, I know as a brand new seller, we end up making so many mistakes on the platform, which can actually lead to so many warnings and maybe eventually getting banned from the platform as well. If you want to know these mistakes and if you want to stop making them, make sure you hit the notification bell, because in my next video, I will be sharing with you some of the mistakes that you must absolutely avoid if you want to become a successful freelancer on Fiverr. Now, while you wait for my next video, make sure you check out these 2 videos as well. I post videos on freelancing, social media, and online entrepreneurship on this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.